What is the driving force that propels us forward? What kind of exploration leads to new discoveries? What kind of pursuit results in professional quality? What kind of original intention establishes customer trust? We use the pulse of intelligent connectivity to drive the development of ERA. At Sonrue, established in 2007, we adhere to the tenets of professionalism, quality, innovation, integrity, and service, and serve our customers wholeheartedly, with technological innovation as our core and scientific innovation as our leader. We strive to achieve sustainable development in the field of unmanned aerial vehicle. We are committed to providing safer power systems for the industries. We use technology to drive the vitality of industrial development. Our factory currently employs more than 600 people, including more than 100 professional R&D engineers, with people-oriented innovation as our driving force. We have developed multiple product series to meet market demand. In the field of unmanned aerial vehicles and robotic power module, we have more than 200 patents with independent intellectual property rights, from design and development to product manufacturing. And from precise logistics to full network marketing, we have built a full life cycle management system. Our production line is equipped with various professional equipment, such as welding machines, wire cutting machines, dynamic balancing machines, winding machines, piling machines, comprehensive testers, laser marking machines, and more. In addition, we have precision equipment such as 2.5-dimensional automatic demagnetizers to strictly control the quality of details. Our factory also has a professional laboratory, which not only has high-end measuring equipment, such as 3-coordinate measuring machines, but also has programmable temperature and humidity testing chambers, high and low temperature testing chambers, dust resistance testers, water resistance testers, cyclic corrosion testing machines, dynamometers, CNC EDM cutting machines, torque testing machines, industrial dehumidifiers, propeller balance testers, and other equipment. In terms of production and processing, we have high-end equipment such as slow wire cutting machines, Japanese brother CNC milling machines, Japanese imported Mazak lathes machines, gear processing machines, and other equipment to accurately grasp customer needs, combining high-tech with the craftsmanship. Our company has obtained the GTT 45001-2020 Occupational Health and Safety Certification, as well as CE RoHS and REACH Safety Production certifications for our products. We strictly control the selection and use of materials in accordance with the LSO 9001 Quality Management System standard, ensuring that quality and efficiency are simultaneously improved. For many years, Sonrue has been continuously exploring and providing customers with professional power systems in the application of industrial UAV, film and television, agriculture, surveying and mapping, police usage, logistics transportation, emergency rescue, fire protection, power energy, pipeline patrol, border security, exoskeleton robots, quadruped robots, manned electric aviation, and other fields. Achieving the beauty of technology for users. As the era of information and intelligence develops, we are integrating into the intelligent logistics system. In terms of market services, we are proactive, efficient, and convenient. Every touch and breakthrough records our unremitting efforts. At Sonrue, we adhere to quality with ingenuity and practice our original intention with actions. Every achievement records our constant pursuit. With the advantages of products and services, we are expanding our global market, providing services to thousands of enterprises and customers. The world is undergoing rapid change. The era is swiftly advancing, and technology is constantly evolving. As a result, we must continue to progress forward. Sanrue, with technological innovation and integrity, creates products and builds a brand. Tmotor, exploring the power of the world. No end to motivation. Safety is within my control.